Hello, welcome back. Now in this lesson we are going to learn how to set our axis. Okay, so it comes in three main forms. How you can get axis into your project is three main forms. Axis are what we call grid lines. Okay, in our normal drafting terms we call it grid lines. In Prota we call it axis. So we have two being displayed here. So we have the axis where we draw our single line axis, and then we have the orthogonal axis generator. The third method is where you import a CAD work, okay, a work that you have done in AutoCAD or any CAD work. You save it in DXF and you import it. We'll be talking about that method later, but in this lesson we're only going to talk about a single line axis method, and then subsequently we'll talk about the orthogonal axis generator. Okay, so let's look at it. Now when you have a design like this, having the column position and then also a sketch, let's say we have a sketch like this. Now all you need to understand is the directions. Okay, so let's just take the single line axis. That one is pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, so you come in here with our grid or the axis, you click it and look at it. The label comes here as 1. Okay, these are the insertion methods. This is a single segment axis insertion. It means that you can draw straight, whether it's going to be inclined or vertical or horizontal. This one means that this method also comes in with that spline feature, which means that you can draw and cut it, okay, based on any shape that you want, and this one will help you to draw a curved axis. Let's just concentrate with this one based on our sketch and take the single segment axis insertion. Okay, so let's look at the sketch one more time. We can see we have label 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the first distance is 5, 6 and then 5 meters. Okay, so let's get into our work and then start placing it. So we have it already. I click and then I drag down. Okay, I hold my mouse and I drag down. If I press on the control key, it makes it truly vertical. So I can release my hand, and then I have the first one with the label 1. Now I want to repeat the other ones as we have. So all you need to do is just click on the axis, right click it, pick the offset axis, and then now you state the offset distance. The first one we knew from the sketch was 5 meters. So press the F2, the function key F2 on the keyboard. So you press it, it will give you the chance to now state the distance. So I type 5 meters, I press enter. It gives me the chance to state the next one, which is 6 meters. So I press the F2 again, and then I type 6 meters. I press enter. I type the next one, F2, and then I type the distance 5 meters. Okay, so this is pretty simple and straightforward. I escape and then I'm done. I come to do the horizontal one, so I also pick it. I want it to be truly horizontal, so I press on the control key on the keyboard. But you see the label here is 5. What do? We want to rename it. To rename it, just click on the axis and then click on the properties, right click and then click on the properties. It is 5, I want to name it 1. I update it and then it's done. Okay, so as it is selected, I right click on the screen, click on offset, and then as usual, because I want to be able to type the distance, I'll press the function key F2, and then it gives me the chance. It's 4 meters. I press enter. My next one is 6 meters. I press on the function key F2 again, and then I type 6 meters, and then I press enter. I skip twice and I'm done. Okay, so this is exactly what we have per our design. Okay, so A, B, C, 4 meters, 6 meters, and then 5, 6, 5. Okay, so this is the single line segment insertion axis. So in our second video we're going to talk about the orthogonal axis generator. Thank you.